that you come and just say
abahangwa aba biine entebekanisa y'okutaayayira emyanya etari emwe n'emwe otiiremu n'okurambura omugyera gwa Rwizi. Abakuru aba barugire omu mahanga nka America, UK, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Kenya hamwe na Uganda.
we should take this message across the board to all practitioners in whatever position of influence to ensure that we all work together towards the environment sustainability for good long life.
Ivan tumuhimbise orukukurra ekitongore ekya World Wide Fund for Nature n'asiima abanya-Uganda abiikiriize kukoragana nabo omu bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe okugaruzaho eby'obuhangwa.
Ndasiima abantu boona abeejumbiire ogwo murimo kugira ngu twakwatanisa hamwe twakiza ningashi twatumbura omurindi gwaitu gwa Rwizi gukaruka nk'ogwabaire guri kare abantu baine amaizi garabamara kandi amaizi marungi gatabarwaza kandi gababaasa kukozesa mu maka gaabo hamwe n'omu mirimo yaabo.
Adorando orukukurra ekitongore ekya Nairobi Breweries nagira ngu nibaija kugumizamu okutaho enkora y'okukwatanisa n'ebindi bitongore hamwe na gavumenti okureeba ngu eby'obuhangwa byagaruka omu buteeka.
Because we take water from the river to produce beer. With the technology that exists today, we bring this water to 100% purity level. We brew the beer to the highest global standards that we have. And then the little amount of water that we discard, we treat that water on the way out.
Gasha kwa Abdukarim Sengendo.